Pillow Dog, it's been over 6 months. I'm pretty sure something bad is gonna happen. What the heck is that? Why is it moving?
Hey guys, what's up? My house, my cave, it got destroyed. Holy crap, what the hell is that? Is that a paper turtle?
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. I mean, there are a bunch of... Save me! See, sheep started it. I don't know whether we...
Yeah, no, Pillow Dog, I don't speak Romaniese. Ha! Listen up here, kiddo. I don't know who you are, but you better get out of our town, because we have Pillow Dog and the Super Epic 6. Ah!
What the dinosaur? Who the hell are you? So, well, this is kind of awkward.
Yeah, it is kind of awkward, bro. So, why are you in my house?
Hey, wait a minute, this is my house!
No, this is my house.
Mine!
Mine! Who was that turtle dude? I can't understand a word he's saying. Rwandese isn't just me.
Oh, they're making a huge mistake.
Anyways, where's Yukio?
Incoming! Ow. Why did we have to throw her into the wall?
That's a fair play. Yeah. Wait a minute. Pillow Dog? Potato Dog?
Yeah, you know them?
It's been all over the news lately.
What? Oh yeah, I haven't been keeping up with the news.
Well, it's been saying that you're going to end the world.
Yeah, will that happen?
And how accurate can that be? It was published by this dude named Turds Paper? Turds Paper? That kind of sounds like Turtle Paper.
And Turtle Paper was the dude we're just fighting.
Yeah, not the time, Pillow Dog.
Listen up, guys. If you don't want to destroy the world,
I am here to help.
Okay, so how do we destroy the world?
Yeah, I'm not the person you should talk to on that, but I know the exact dude.
And who would that be?
His name would be Doctor.
Okay, fair enough. Hey, Seal Dude. Morn?
Yo, Doctor!
Oh, hi, Pika Rash.
Remember, I changed my name to Pika Stash.
Right. Anyways, what are you guys in for? How to stop that end of the world thing? Oh, it's you guys. Well, I'm not really sure, but the only possible way is to...
I don't speak rewind, kiddo.
That's where you draw the line, buddy.
Ow, my back.
Ah, that's right. Don't mess with my friends. You'd be thinking I have a prescription for myself, but I don't.
Doctor?
Live your life, kid.
Pillow Dog.
So many people are getting hurt. Hello, Doc, are you okay? Oh no. No heart. Chest compressions. Chest.
You.
Ow. Oh, you have a pulse.
Excuse me, what?
Well, we should probably hurry up. The kid's getting killed. What?
My name is Turds. Idiots. Quick, get him before we go!
We have to stop this dude, even if it takes our lives.
Hey, guys.
Guys, we are called the Aquarius.
I'm sorry, boss. So, the Aquarius.
What are you, scared?
No, sir. I just wanted to talk. Listen up, kid, if we have limited time.
Get off our sight.
I'm sorry. I have to figure out a way to impress them.
God, what a menace.
Pretty rude.
Come on, guys, give him a chance.
I would rather not.
We've given him enough chances. We upgraded him, we degraded him. It's all not working.
Although I hate to agree, Aqua is right.
Come on, Aqua, be a little more
enthusiastic.
I'm not an optimist, Tedless.
Yeah, I hate that too.
As much as I hate to admit it, Tillman, you are not the good one.
I'm not? Come on, man, give me some sympathy.
I, Blood Train, devote my entire life to you, and you've given me.
Whatever. Aquarius?
What?
Here is my plan.
Hello, dog, what's wrong? I'm sure it can't be that bad.
How worse can it be? I lost my best friend.
We need the gang.
Now. So that's my backstory. Any thoughts?
I'm gonna be honest, man, I don't really know.
I mean, it's better than mine.
I'm gonna be honest here. I don't really know.
Oh, by the way, did you hear the news?
Who the heck watches news?
Anyways, what's the deal, buddy man? There's some psychomaniac trying to break into our...
Hello, prisoners.
Point proven.
Oh, who are you?
Aqua. Now, let's go. Wait, but what about Pothead?
Yeah, I've taken care of that.
Okay. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go. We now have the gang. Are we ready to attack, boys?
Yep.
Oh, yes. Give me 1 second. I feel insecure. Hey, Zardy.
Oh, sugar.
So I was just asking. Alright. Sounds like a deal. Oh, guys.
What?
What's up?
Do you guys remember?
Any of these guys?
It's a super epic 6? How did you manage that?
That's very cool. Well, anyways, This is about to get fun. Everyone, in approximately 5 seconds, we will drop. Everybody get ready.
This is about to go down hard.
5, 4, 3,
2.
1. Attack!
Oh god, super up 6.
Yeah, I have bad memories about them. It's 10v10.
Alright, I guess I'm making the first move. Alright, let's do this. Wow, I really gotta train on my aim.
Ah.
You're on the other side of the room.
Oh crap! Ow! My insides. Spikes.
I come from Ohio. Oh no, not me! Spike Z down. I repeat, Spike Z down.
Oh, you done did it. Don't mess with my bloody friend, mate.
Or what are you gonna do about it?
You see how I'm happy?
Yeah, why? I am now unhappy. Oh yeah, fight me.
No. Ow. Ow. Yeah.
I always bounce back, baby. Yeah. I don't want to die a second time.
Speeper.
Read. Red. With 15 E's.
Wake up.
Okay, I'm up.
I'm a nice guy, but not nice to foes. Yes.
Oh, Wolfgang, what are you gonna do about it, huh? Oh, I'll do this. Oh crap, he can fly. Oh no, oh no. I'll send you to Russia. Send us.
Yeah, send us.
Oh, okay, you asked for it. We're in Canada. Ever since I turned into a dog, I hate this. Oh wait, I didn't want to.
How does it feel, huh? Being hell all the time.
Oh wait, I'm up.
Spikes. Ew.
Yeah, no problem, Seal. I fight foes.
How did that feel, huh?
My life is a mess. I don't know about you, but I had a pretty messed up child. My dad was like you, always leaving. And I don't know about you, but this world is kind of cruel.
Everything is cruel.
Everything is cruel, Shark Boy. And that's unfair. Unfair to everyone. Let me end it. Let me end it. Great lines, buddy. Up.
Rough flight.
But you know, there's always a bullet train. A bullet? Like I didn't plan you beforehand.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
You're my
Enemy.
Why, hello, old friend.
You haven't changed.
Ever since the 6 months I've been down there was so painful. You don't understand, Pillow Dog. I want you to bring you down with me. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Get Pillow Dog, quick! Oh, wait, never mind. while everything's dark. Youcher's got a skedaddle. Pillow Dog's gone aggro. Now I'm gonna. What are your intentions, man? I don't know. It's just publishing fake news articles. It's not fake. I can see the future. What? We call them dreams, you know. You don't understand. Ever since I was a kid, I've been seeing visions. From planes crashing to just flat out test answers. It's been happening at the age of 12 and I don't know how to stop it, man. Why is it for evil, man? You have so much left in life to do. But no! I'd stay evil. I'll stay like who I am. I don't refine these. Yeah, look at you. I am just a little concerned, but like, is he okay? Why would you care? Holy. I'm a stubborn mouse, okay? Coming through. Ooh, this dead body. Ooh. Holy. All of you, you're going insane. All of you are just. I don't. We warned you. No, please. You should have listened to your mother. Off the rails. No.
He needs help.
Yeah, leave him be.
Yeah, whatever. Also, did you just try to kill me? He was good. You just didn't know how to use him. Everyone! What? Turtle Dude is getting himself into trouble. And the worst part is, he might end all of us. And the world! I like the thought of the world ending, not gonna lie. Okay, wait, I will jump. Now, as I was saying, we don't want to die. He might end us all. Say aye if you're in, nay if you're not. Aye. Aye. Nay. Okay, wait. No, I was joking. Alright then, people. Operation Save World is a go.